Hi YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. This is another one of my electrical projects, and it started off with a sheet of aluminium. I think this is 4mm thick, and I've cut it to size, and I've also drilled the holes for the buzz bars to go in, and I'm going to use this as the wiring. If it will solder, I'll do some tests on that first, see if it's usable, but I'm not going to tell you what it is until it's probably finished. That's the first buzz bar installed, and these are like insulators. I was going to use some garden wire, but it doesn't conduct electricity very well, so I'm using just ordinary copper wire and stripping it back, and it looks like it will probably do the job. So that's the power line one in fitted. Now I've got to do the earth wires, which run like a square, like a ring, and that might be more difficult. The buzz bars are coming on. I'll put this end one in, and yeah, it's a bit fiddly, but it's coming on. Okay, that's the buzz bar installed. There we go. So you've got the positive runs down the middle, and this one is the negative, and there's a gap there so it don't touch, which is quite good. I'm now inserting the lasers into the panel. Might take me a while to solder them all in. Quite a glow. Trying to align the lasers is quite difficult. It's going to take me some time. I've got the first row aligned, and I'm starting on the second one.